Hey seniors, I just wanted to post this video for those of you who are maybe having a harder time understanding the modules and how they work. I think in distance learning it's made it much more confusing than it is in actual classroom life. So I wanted to give you guys a breakdown that you can watch again and again if you get stuck on what is to be submitted. So you can't see this now. However, it's going to be published right after I post this video. When you log into Schoology and our ERWC course, you'll now see this folder labeled Module 1. That's going to be what we're working on for the next week and a half. So if you click on that, you'll see an explanation. This is where my video is going to be, so stay tuned for that. But back in, you'll see that it's broken down into steps, and hopefully that's going to make it easier for you guys to navigate through what's supposed to be done. So if you click on step 1, that's where you're going to start, and it says fill out the blank copy of your template for activities 1 through 7. Now this is when I think students got really confused, and that's my mistake for not making it more clear. But you'll see here that I've embedded the actual reader. This is what you would have gotten if we were in class, where all the questions are here, the lines are filled out for you. It looks real nice and pretty. However, because we turn our work into Turnitin.com, it will catch all of this as plagiarism because every single one of you, all 37 of us, are going to turn it in. So that will be flagged as plagiarism, which we don't want. So if you see down here, I've attached Module 1 student packet. If you open that up, you'll see that it is the same outline without the questions written and without the lines. So what I'm expecting of you guys to do is maybe pull them into different screens and use this to guide you. So you'll see here, activity, let's say 2, reading rhetorically, activating prior knowledge. It's the same thing as right here, and you're going to answer number 1 in the number 1 slot. It's just going to eliminate that plagiarism aspect. If you need more help with that, please contact me. We can Zoom one-on-one and I can really break it down for you. We can share screens and answer all of your questions. So this one is the one you'll be turning in. So you'll see here that this is activities 1 through 7. You're going to skip number 6. Do your own work. Not every assignment is going to be turned into Turnitin.com, but your very last one will. So I need you to be doing your own work. You know what cheating is. We all know what cheating is. Do your own. And then some of these activities require an outside reading. So you can click here and it'll take you to the readings and it'll say right here, these are the ones required for activity 4 and 5. So once you turn it in, you will then go on to step number 2. Now here's where it gets a little different. I want you to continue working on this same blank template, right? For all activities, we're going to get through activity 14. And so for this one, I haven't attached a document down here because what I expect is you to now submit your Google Doc that you're already working on. So to me, it's going to be seeing progress. If you have never submitted a Google Doc to an assignment, or if you're having trouble attaching assignments, watch this YouTube video for help. Okay, it's going to walk you through all of the steps, student view, and I think it's going to be really helpful for you. So here you're going to do activities 8 through 9. Read the description. We're doing 8 together. You'll be doing 9. Okay? Step 3 will be an activity that you're turning in. We'll get to this later. We'll be talking about it in our Zoom meetings. And finally, step 4 will be complete and turn in your whole module 1, the whole thing. So this is, again, you're going to attach a document where I can see your progress. At this point, I should be seeing activity 1 through 14 finished in your full document. This is the one that's going to go through Turnitin.com. You do not need to go outside of Schoology to turn it into Turnitin.com. Luckily, although Schoology is very confusing for us, it does eliminate that step, and right here you'll see that it's going through. So do not leave our website, just turn it in and know that it's there. Feel warm and fuzzy about it. This is going to be due not until August 21st. So we're going to work on this module for a week and a half. We're going to do it together in Zoom. We're going to discuss activities. So you may work ahead if you're so inclined. If you don't want to work ahead, then just keep following the schedule that we're on. If you work ahead or not, we're still doing them together in class, so be prepared to share out. Be the wealth of knowledge, you already completed it. So please, again, reach out to me if you have questions along the way. Email, Remind app, message me through Schoology.